You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this basilica in Paris? If you're looking at how to say more names of monuments and famous places in France and Paris, let's stay tuned. Make sure to stay tuned. Sacré-Coeur is how it's said in French. It means sacred or holy heart. Sacré-Coeur, if you cannot speak French or pronounce the French R very well, you can say it as Sacré, Sacré-Coeur. Sacré-Coeur, or in French again, Sacré-Coeur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.